Hey guys, Rob here from Rob's Retro Garage. I'd like to thank you for joining me today watching this video. If this is your first video that you're watching with me, then welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, then welcome back. I gotta step down off the curb here. I'm just taking a little walk today. Just taking a little break and thought that I would record a thank you video for you guys. We've hit 56 subscribers. I meant to make this when I hit 50. But you know, it's just been a little busy here lately, and I haven't gotten around to doing that. So I just wanted to say thank you to you guys, and tell you from the bottom of my heart that it means a lot to me that I've hit that many subscribers. Hopefully we'll break 100, and maybe we'll do something special when I break 100. But anyway, also I'm trying a new camera today, Sony VZ camera for streaming and vlogging. So let me know what you think about the camera, and maybe I'll start using it in my my videos. Anyway, I've got a couple of new videos coming out. One about me taking the antenna off of the car, the electric, the power antenna, and another one where I take the transmission pan off the transmission and drain it, and we take a look at the fluid in the pan and so on. There'll be another one where I take the transmission off, and I'm getting set up to remove the frame from the body. So that's going to be an adventure. I've got to build a body dolly, and I've got to build a nice hoist for it, and figure out how I'm going to roll that thing outside with no front suspension on it. So anyway, but again guys, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me that you guys have taken this journey with me, and hopefully you know, we'll have many more adventures. I've got some plans for what I'd like to do when I'm done with the C3 eventually. So I'd like to keep the channel going, and I sincerely want all of you guys to come along with me. And I think you'll enjoy what a big old nerd like me is going to be doing in the future. So thank you again. Happy Valentine's Day. This is kind of my Valentine's card to my subscribers and my viewers. Thank you again very much.